Hello, this is Ashlyn from Because, and this is a quick live site walkthrough of how Because is implemented on Tom Brady's site TB12. This is a little bit of an overview of how TB12 is using our no-code Shopify app to create a persistent messaging journey throughout their entire website, where every step of the customer journey is dynamic and they're seeing the appropriate messaging based off of who they are, what products they're viewing, and essentially giving them the best shot to make that purchase decision. I'm going to show you first an experience around shipping. So Tom Brady's brand does offer free shipping over $100. So on their product page, we have embedded messaging here in the form of a text block. It looks and feels like their product description, fits in a really nice, clean way, and it looks first party. And this is based off of how much is in the customer's cart. So we're detecting the value that's in the cart, and we're telling them how much they have left to qualify. As the customer moves through the site and adds more items to cart, every time that the page refreshes or they move to a new page in the site, they are going to see that message change in order to tell them whether or not they've qualified, or even to suggest products for them in order to qualify for free shipping. The same concept can be applied to a free gift with purchase, a bundle, or any other type of dynamic experience based off of what's in the customer's cart. Now you can see the message changed to great news, your order qualifies for free shipping. That's an example of the shipping message. Now I want to take you into a persistent message to show how this experience continues into the customer's journey into the collection page. So as the site visitor is moving throughout the collection page experience, continuing their shopping journey, we want to communicate to the customer that they have already qualified for free shipping and it's time to go ahead and make that purchase decision. This message right here, which is a red banner, this kind of looks and feels like a top announcement bar. We call it a banner. This can match the full width of the page, or it can even match just the width of the product grid. And it is adapted completely to your site styling, so it looks extremely first party. This again is detecting how much is in customers' cart in order to tell them that they've qualified, and the same could be done with telling them how close they are. The next implementation I want to show you is an example of a banner on the collection page that is based off of a Klaviyo segment. Klaviyo is another really valuable data source that we use apart from that Shopify data we just discussed in order to detect who the site visitor is when they come to site. When the site visitor arrives on site, we can detect if they're part of a Klaviyo segment, if they've arrived from a Klaviyo campaign, or if they've been a part of an abandoned cart flow or welcome flow. This is an example of a campaign based off of a never purchased segment. Same could be done with a customer arriving from an abandoned cart flow to say, welcome back. We know you haven't purchased yet, and we'd love to give you a first-time customer discount code. The next implementation is a subscription suggestion. This is great for any brands that do offer subscription and are using a tool like Recharge. This message right here is powered by Because. This is completely no code and again looks extremely first party. This will show up on the page based off if the customer is part of a Klaviyo segment that has already purchased twice, which is typically the most likely time to start a subscription in this specific example. So the customer will see a prompt to start a subscription when they have already purchased twice, but they are not yet part of a subscription. This again could be persistent throughout the entire journey, so not just on the product page. The final example I want to show you is an example in the cart. This red banner right here is sticky to the bottom of the add to cart. This could be placed anywhere in the cart that you'd like with any messaging or styling that you'd like. This is again detecting items that are in the cart. So it's basically saying that the cart qualifies for a discount based off of which items are in cart. Same could be done to tell the customer that they've qualified for free shipping, qualified for a free gift, or even telling them how close they are to unlocking any of those savings. That's a quick overview of how Because is implemented on Tom Brady's brand.